Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by accessing Lighting in Explorer. This is where time and mood live. Locate the time of day property and turn off any auto-adjust that overrides manual changes. Make sure a sky and atmosphere object exist in lighting. If they are missing, add them now. Once present, you can edit sky, skybox, and atmosphere properties for color and haze. This setup makes your changes persistent and predictable. It prevents scripts or game settings from instantly reverting your new nighttime values. Now you make the concrete nighttime adjustments. Set lighting, time of day to a night value, for example 20:00 or 22:30 to reposition sun and moon. Reduce lighting. Brightness and set outdoor ambient to darker colors to eliminate daytime glow. Modify fog end and fog color to add depth and night haze. Adjust sky, skybox or moon textures and lower directional light intensity so shadows soften. Once done, preview and play solo to confirm the overall balance and tweak colors until the scene reads clearly as night. Finish by saving your setup. Either create a lighting preset or add a small script that applies your chosen nighttime values when the game starts. Make sure to scan workspace and server scripts for any scripts that reset time of day or lighting. Disable or modify them so they do not conflict. If post-processing like Bloom or HDR is making scenes look too bright, lower their intensity or exposure. And if things still revert, test with a clean place copy to isolate the offending script or setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.